How to stop Discord showing what Spotify music you're listening to. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can stop Discord showing what Spotify music you're listening to. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into your Discord account in discord.com. So if you play a Spotify music in your device,
crystal clear and I want you to come play me. I do. What are you waiting for? Yeah, and you name it. I do. Want you to make it.
Discord, and once you're on the Discord, go to your user settings. On the user settings, navigate towards connections, click on it. Now, as you can see, I have connected my Spotify account on Discord. You can either unlink your Spotify account completely from Discord by clicking on this cross icon, or simply turn off this toggle that says display Spotify as your status. Turn off this toggle. Once you do that, now Discord will no longer show what music you are listening on Spotify. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.